Today we have the 2016 Ford EcoSport. This vehicle has done just under 35,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, and on our screen we can access CD, radio, aux, smartphone integration, and menu. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side.